This is how to use Python in Visual Studio Code. So far you should have Python installed and Visual Studio Code open with your first file. Now you should see this pop up here. You're going to click install and that is going to start installing. Now that this is installed, you're going to want to restart Visual Studio Code. Once you see this, you know that the extension has been installed. Now, to run a quick test to see if everything is working, just type print in the bracket and quotation marks saying hello world. We're just going to save the file with Control S and run the Python file here. This is going to open up the terminal and print out hello world.